Okay, good evening, student. Now see the 6th unit prose, The Accidental Tourist. It was written by Will Berison. Okay, last class we saw that Arthur got so much of difficult to do his work. In the previous class we saw that actually he is not get frequent flyer miles. He never get that because while he was checking in the counter he was missed. He is not couldn't find that code in time. He not able to show this at that moment. This is the happen to irritation to him, and also he is not he know every person there, and also he is not go get that first class uh, offer to him because he is not showing the code on time. And also he is traveling the flight for a year, the 100 miles a year. And also he get just he showed that in his card just for 212 air miles only because. And also he was traveling in that flight for 23 airlines. It means 23 flights, different flights, not a single flight. So that's why he's getting less uh, frequent flyer in that card entered. Okay, what is the reason why he is not entering that card while traveling in that means? The main reason is not showing the card in time. Then next see that continuous lesson. This is because either I forgot to ask for the air miles when I check in, and also while he was traveling in the flight, at the time he forgot to ask the counter to check in the to show the code, and he forgot that. This is one reason. And the another reason is, or I remember to ask for them but the air miles then managed not to record them. And also he remembered to ask them, sometime he forgot to ask them. This is the first one. The second one is he is not able to show the code on time. This is the second one. And then third one is and the manager and the counter, they managed to not record them. The counter itself, they can't able to record his name in the frequent flyer. This is one more reason. And the check-in clerk informed me that I am not entitled to them. Sometimes the checking clerk informed to the author that he is not enter his name in the frequent flyer list. This is one more reason. So he told three reasons. One is he forgot to ask the air miles. This is a one. Then second one is he's not remember to ask them why you are not enter my name like that. This is the second one. Then third one, the checking clerk sometimes forgot to enter his name into the frequent player name list, and also is not entered into the coda itself. This is the third reason. Okay, see next. So give some one more example why they are refused to enter his name. Then see, in January, on a flight to Australia, a flight for which I was going to get about a jillion air miles, the clerk shook her head and when I presented my card and told me I was not entitled to any. So at that time, while he gives some one example for that. While he was traveling in the flight in January month, at that moment he is going to Australia in January month. At that time, a flight for which the author is going to get about jillion air miles. Jillion air miles is nothing. While you say the million like that, jillion is the uncountable miles in a for a long distance. So we can't able to count that. So that's called the jillion air miles. The clerk shook her head. At the time, he presented the card to the clerk in the counter. Suddenly the clerk shake his head. Shook is nothing, shaking her head while he presented the card, and told me I was not entitled to any. And also the clerk told to the author he's not added his this milestone in our card. So he asked the clerk why. Why means why you don't enter my name into the card like that. He asked to the clerk. Then the clerk replied, the ticket is in the name of B. Berison. Actually, in your ticket, the name of B. Berison and the card is in the name of W. Berison. Okay, now he took the name, the ticket, the name of B. Berison. So, and also he kept the card. Card is nothing, it is a frequent flyer card. In that card, he entered the name W. Berison. So that's why the counter refused to, the clerk refused to enter his name into the frequent flyer list, and also he is not able to get that frequent flyer name list. The main reason is, one is he forgot sometimes, and also he remembered to ask them to why you don't enter my name into the frequent flyers, and also sometimes the while checking in the in the airport, and the clerk informs that he is not entitled, he is not added your name in the frequent flyer names list. They enter the frequent name list, but they are not given the points for every day while traveling in that, because he is traveling a year for 100 miles a year. But he gets simply for 212 air miles only, and also it was divided in between 23 air flights. And also because the main reason is he got the ticket for the name of B. Berison, and also sometime sometime he get the bill the ticket W. Berison. That's why they given 212 air miles only. But while he get the name of the ticket for B. Berison, means they won't enter into the frequent flyer name list. And also the code is in the name of W. Berison. That's why the clerk replied to the author. I explained. Now the author explained to her the close and the venerable relationship between Bill and William, but she wouldn't have it. Actually, B refers to Bill Berison, W refers to William Berison. But the author explained to the clerk about what is the difference between the W and B. The venerable is nothing, valuation relationship between Bill and the William. But the clerk did not accept his reply, his answers, because Bill and William are same. Like that, the author given the valuable explanation to the clerk, but the clerk is not take that his explanation, his answers. Okay, see next. So I didn't get my air miles, and I won't be fly to Bale first class just ahead. So that's why the author did not get is the my air miles. His air mile is not included added to his code, and also the author won't be fly to Bale first class just ahead, and that's why the author is not able to go to the Bale in the first class. Still, just yet, now itself he is not able to get that first class offer to him, and also the clerk is not entered his name into the frequent flyer name list, and also not entering these air miles in his code itself. The main reason is the ticket is the name of B. Berison, but in the code is the name of W. Berison. That's why. But he explained to the clerk about the relationship, the valuable relationship between the Bill and William. But the clerk is not agreed about that. Then perhaps just as well. Really, I could never go that long without eating, and also the author is not able to go. Is not really not able to go that much long without eating, without taking any food. Always he is going to alone, means he is not able. He is not take any food and water or drinks, because if he take food, water and drinks, means definitely it will spoil his dress and everywhere. So that's why he is not take anything. But now he realized that he is going for long trip for like is for 100,000 miles here for a year, and while he is going to the zillion miles once upon a time, he is not able to take without travel in the flight food. So that's why he told here just as well. Really, the author couldn't go that long without taking the food. This is the main reason. So I think this is a very fun story. I think this lesson is you understand everything. Okay, student. Now see the glossary. Alley is nothing, a narrow passageway between or beyond buildings. So in the gap between the street or between the two side buildings. In family is nothing is the French word as a family. Young is nothing, followed with a jerky. full very fast. Concentration is nothing, worry, sadness. Extravagantly, excessively. Cascade, waterfall, small waterfall. Then concourse, the open center area in a large public buildings. Here refers to the airport. In the airport, the center place of the airport. Discussing, discharging, come out is the meaning. Okay, means next see. Gashed is nothing, cut deeply. Historics, a fit of uncontrollable laughing or crying. Is the uncontrollable of laughing or crying. Expiration, irritation. Catastrophe, a terrible disaster. Bon mot, bomo is not bon mots, it's a bomo, is a French word, it is a witty remarks. It's simply a talking like a comedy fun way. Savvy, polite and sophisticated. Venerable, valued. Bill, William, the letter W is changed to be Bill and William is called Bill. William, Bill are same, but the letter only changed in the first letter. B is changed into W. W indicate the William, but B indicate only Bill. This is the difference between B and W. Okay, student. Read the after finishing this video, read the prose one more time. Then only you can understand it. And also the glossary is very important. Read the glossary. In case they will ask some questions in public through this glossary itself. So know the 2 or 3 meanings for a single word. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation, student.